This is a full grip accelerator. And now this is the instruction. And here we have the power lock. You have to plug in the keys to turn on the power. This is 7-speed shifter. Next we have an adjustable display screen. And here we have a bell. Handlebar can control front and wheel well. Folding lock. Folding instruction. And here we have a front light. And here is our removable battery design. With the locks on it, you gotta plug in the keys. And back there is our charging port with the silicone covers. Can avoid the damage from the water. And this is our shocks absorbing device. And now it's turning on. This is shock absorbing instruction. Let's turn it off. You will not have the shock absorbing. This is 20 inches snow off-road big tires with decompression and shocking resistance. Our 7-speed sprocket with a very big energy powerful motors. This is an adjustable seat. You can easily adjust the seat height to find the right height for yourself. And with a air comfy seat.